Hello from sunny Washington, D.C. My name is Nathan Manley, and I'm honored to serve you and our nation's veterans as Chief Consultant to the Deputy Undersecretary for Health at the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. Today I'm standing outside the Smithsonian American History Museum. Just behind me is the Common Ground American Heritage Garden. I'm here to introduce the fourth pillar of our Dignity and Respect campaign, Finding Common Ground. As a gay man who has experienced life with my best friend and my husband for the past 30 years, I dream of the day when every individual can live authentically and be treated with dignity and respect. Many years ago, I remember attending an offsite with leaders from around the world. As I walked into the room, I started to do a little prayer of patience, because the previous 6 months had really been filled with lots of disagreement. After the normal opening, the facilitator handed each of us a sheet of paper and asked us to meet with every individual and find 5 things we had in common with them. Over the coming hour, we figured out that we actually had a lot more in common than we were giving ourselves credit for. We all had families that we wanted to be happy and healthy and safe. We all shared hobbies and common experiences and things in life that transcended our backgrounds and our cultural upbringings and our beliefs. Over the coming days and months and years, when things got especially tense, somebody in the group would throw out something that they had in common with the rest of the group. How about the Cincinnati Reds? And somehow it broke the tension and brought us back to commonality and allowed us to continue with our business. Over the next month, in all your interactions with each other and with veterans, I challenge you to think openly about ideas that you hadn't thought about before, to listen for other people's thoughts and ideas that you may not have thought about and that you may not believe, but they may have a perspective you haven't heard about. And mostly to give yourself time, because building relationships takes time, and it takes some doing to find those common grounds and to figure out how to move forward together. Thank you for all that you do for our nation's veterans each and every day.